Today I'll show you how to install the NeDong KAIJA tire and anti-puncture armor layer fitted between the inner tube and the outer tire. First, cut open the package, slide the KAIJA tire into the tire, check how much you need to trim, then take it out and cut it to size. Trim it to a length no longer than the tire. Once cut, slide it into the tire, then fit the tire with the KAIJA tire inside onto the rim. For the inner tube, we recommend using a new one. Old tubes are usually stretched out, so they'll be too loose if you reuse them. First, press one side of the tire into the rim. Then secure the tire to the rim with a zip tie. This makes installation much easier. Once secured, use a tire lever to push the other side of the tire into the rim. After working in a section, keep securing it with zip ties. Once it's fully seated, remove the zip ties. Check that everything is installed correctly. Pump it up, and the installation is complete.